Hey guys, so today I'm making this prom makeup look, and well, the first few minutes of footage got cut off of me explaining, doing my intro and whatnot. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. Here I'm just putting on my concealer, getting ready to put on the base, and just blending it out onto my whole eyelid. And yeah. Okay, so now using the 350M Morphe palette, I'm just applying my base to make sure my eye makeup doesn't crease later on. So yeah. Okay, so now using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna apply that red color all over my crease. Okay, so now going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna just use that black and apply it kind of at the corners of my crease, and just like, just to create a depth. So yeah, I just gotta put that all over your crease, kind of blend it. It might look ugly at first, but I mean, at the end it's all gonna come together. So just like, do as much blending as you can. So yeah. Okay, so now with the same concealer as I applied on my eyelids in the beginning, it's from NYX, by the way. It's a HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in shade 1. So yeah, I'm gonna just be doing the cut crease now, and yeah, after this I put on that same base that I used earlier, that powder or eyeshadow, so it doesn't crease as much. So yeah, you're just gonna see me doing it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just be adding more darkness, like in depth, to the outer corners of my eyelid. Okay, so now it's time for the glitter, and for that I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay. I don't know what shade it is, but it's a gold one. So yeah, just any gold glitter that you have, and just apply that all over where you made the cut crease. Okay, so now it's time for the eyeliner, and for the eyeliner I use the NYX matte liquid liner in the shade Black to create my wing. So here I'm just gonna be cleaning up my eyeliner, making sure it's sharp and everything, and with the same concealer that I used earlier throughout the video. So okay, so here I'm just putting black eyeliner on my waterline to make it look a little more dramatic. Okay, so after you're done with that, you're pretty much just gonna apply your mascara or your false lashes, whatever you prefer, and you're done with your eye makeup. So yeah. Okay, so now just to finish up the look so it looks complete, I'm gonna be applying my bronzer and doing my highlighter. The bronzer is from Tarte. I'm not sure what shade, and the highlighter, I think it's from Revolution, something like that, in shade Moonlight. And yeah, so this is a finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.